Alex, I didn't think here at Burleigh Heads it could get any better this morning. Have a look at that view. Isn't it just spectacular? But this morning, we, of course, love Australian prawns. So we have been celebrating the fact that spring is prawn season. You don't have to wait till Christmas. This morning, we saw Dave Patain, who is the Sanctuary Cove prawn trawler and Queensland's most lovable prawn trawler, I'm told. He peeled a prawn in just 3 seconds. Now, Arthur Raptis, who is here, is a wonderful fishmonger. Arnie, good morning to you.
Tim.
Tell me a little bit about yourself.
Okay, so I'm a third-generation fishmonger, and I'm the guy that organises the prawns to go from the trawlers to the supermarkets and the specialty retail shops.
Okay, what you left out there is that you are a good Greek boy who knows his way around seafood.
I do.
And you saw this man here peel a prawn in 3 seconds.
Yeah, I did, and I thought to myself, he's got nothing.
Hello.
I've got this covered for sure.
Do you know what I do love here, Artie? Competition.
Yep.
I want to see you guys peel a prawn and see who is going to peel one faster. Can you do one for us right now before we do the weather?
Sure.
Okay, prawns at the ready. In 3, 2, 1, go. 1, 2, 3. Artie.
I'm going to be sent back to Greece. There is no doubt.
Not at the moment.
I'm going to bring shame to my family.
Okay, well, the silver lining of COVID means that you get to stay here until the borders do reopen. Wowee. Well, it's not just the fun that the experts have got because they can peel a prawn in 3 seconds. I've also got some amateurs, some colourful Gold Coast ladies who were walking past this morning. Round of applause for the ladies, everybody. We're going to see how many prawns they can peel in 30 seconds right after we take a final check of our 5-day forecast for you right now. We'll start in Brisbane, and it's going to be an absolutely beautiful day for Brizzy today. 27 degrees, a possible shower rolling in tomorrow, though. Partly cloudy for Saturday. There will be a shower or two on Sunday. Monday, looking partly cloudy as well. Sydney will be very windy, but a warm top of 30 degrees today. A possible shower around tomorrow, much cooler, 20 degrees. Partly cloudy Saturday, a possible shower Sunday, and partly cloudy once again on Monday. Melbourne, a very good morning to you. Some light rain around at times and 15 degrees, a shower or two tomorrow. Saturday's looking a little humid, and there is a chance of a late shower after a top of 25 degrees. A shower or two on Sunday, showers on Monday for you as well. Hobart, hello there. Early shower or two today, 13 degrees, sunshine tomorrow, mostly sunny for your Saturday. It will be partly cloudy on Sunday, and a shower or two for you on Monday. For Adelaide today, showers and 19 degrees, a possible late shower around tomorrow. It will be wet once again on Saturday. The showers will ease off on both Sunday and also Monday. And Perth, finally, partly cloudy, 21 degrees. Tomorrow is looking fine and sunny. It will be wet both days on the weekend, and then those showers will ease off for a bit of a cloudy looking Monday. So we have Melissa, who is our social distancing queen, as says on her shirt this morning, and also Chrissy over here, who is top to toe in red, even the hair and the shoes. All right, ladies, we're going to see how many you can peel as opposed to you boys here. Grab some more prawns, you can get in on this. 30 seconds, starting the clock. 3, 2, 1, go, everybody. Let's see. Apparently the trick this morning, as Dave was explaining to me, is that you start with the head, of course, rip that off, and then the body. I have my expert judge here, Jess Millwood, is with me. Our very own Jess, what are you making of the competition today?
Yeah, no, really good, really good. What's happening over here?
Well, it's taking time.
You're breaking it into several pieces.
We have 5 seconds left, ladies and gents. 5 seconds. 4, 3, 2,
well,
1.
Timmy, I'm going to need help.
Prawns down. All right, prawns down, guys. Okay, quick count here, lads, please. How many have we got? Ladies,
this prawn's in a million pieces, but I think...
No, it's not. Only 2 of them.
I think it's 2 all.
2 all.
I really don't like a draw.
And gents, how many we go? 5 over here.
Time's up.
7 prawns. Okay, Dave, I'm sorry to say, Dave win. We do love our prawns. They are hard work. You do have to work for it, but my goodness me, they taste amazing, don't they? They are well worth the hard work. We have love this morning. Thank you, everybody. Thank you very much, Burleigh. Great to see you all. We'll see you tomorrow, guys, from Amberley Air Base. Looking forward to it.
Before we go,
Yes, Jess.
Look at all those seagulls just waiting for Timmy to finish on air.
Carl and Deb have really loved our view here at Burleigh this morning. So I think we should give them one last shot of Burleigh.
Yes.
They've
I think
been
we
feeling really
should.
happy for us that we're here.
Oh, there you go.
So-
The hands of Mitch. Beautiful work there. What a glorious day. If you
You're
were ever going to
welcome.
be
If
on
you
the
guys
Gold
can't
Coast
do it.
at Burleigh, then this is it. Now, I know, Jess, a lot of people can't be here with us. We're very lucky that we are in
Yeah,
Queensland.
sorry.
But the rest of Australia, tune in, have a look at that. It's going nowhere. It'll be ready when you are.
You're just rubbing it
See you
in.
soon,
Goodness
Carlos.
me. Prawns, ocean,
Love you guys.
sunshine.
Might
Rubbish.
see you for Christmas,
Friends.
hey?
Rubbish.
Did you hear something? No.
Rubbish.
Talk to the hand.
Thank you, guys. Now, stuck at home. That's what a lot of us are. Unable to see friends, adjusting to a massive change in our routines.